So I'd like to end this series with a little case study that I had for myself on my very first SEO lead. Now this one's very unique to me because this was the first deal that I ever got from SEO, from my organic website ever, and it happened to be my first lead ever, and we ended up doing a $25K assignment fee on this one. This property here, it was a 4-bed, 2-bath house that was a really bad situation. The owner of the property filled out a form on my website around 11 a.m. on a random Wednesday or Thursday. Then basically what happened was I reached out to them within seconds and they said, yeah, we're ready to sell our property. I need to sell right now. And basically we ended up going in the property and locking up for $145,000. So this price was $4,000 less than what they bought it for 4 years prior to this. So we locked it up at $145,000, sold it off for a $25,000 assignment fee, and we sold it to a flipper who did a very, very high quality flip and made quite a bit of money. Now obviously at this time we weren't as savvy and didn't have necessarily the capital to go and flip this ourselves, and this one was a pretty thick project. So the situation with these sellers, the couple was getting divorced and they had 2 kids, and it was a really bad situation to the point where they couldn't even be in the same room, and she wanted to sell the house immediately. And so we were able to come in, provide with them a cash offer, and sign the contract on the spot on their kitchen table and get closed within 14 days. And this is where truly my mind opened up to the idea of making sure you are the premier cash help buyer on Google, because the very first SEO lead I ever got ended up being a $25,000 assignment fee for a divorced couple that we ended up signing the contract on their table, and by the end of the day we already had a buyer for a $25K assignment fee. Now I'm not guaranteeing that you're gonna get the exact same results as this. I just like to tell this story because that is where it really opened my eyes to what SEO and the power of being ranked on Google really is. So thank you for watching this entire course. I really hope you guys found some value in it. I hope you downloaded all the checklists, and I really hope you start to implement all these strategies in your own business because it worked very, very well for mine. So without further ado, if you enjoyed this series, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, or feel free to DM me on Instagram or shoot me an email as well. But otherwise, please like and subscribe these videos if you enjoy them a lot, but I appreciate you watching.